Welcome back, everyone. This is Max Omdal hosting video number 2 of the Devlog series of the game Don't Cry For Me. So this is the very beginning. As you can see, this is a clip from last week's Devlog, and next I want to show you some of the work we did with the art assets, because as you can tell, this is blah. And we did as much as we can to progress through that and make it a little better. So here is about to show a clip of the new art assets. This is the start of this week. Lots of improvements from here even, but you can see there's some new grass tiles and an actual character animation. And now let's show you making some of the tiles. So you didn't see in the previous video, but now we're adding some water tiles to the game. And what's really cool about Unity, the game engine I use for making this, is that you can create rule tiles which are painted onto the canvas, basically, the tile map, and they dynamically change based on what kind of tile is next to it. So if there's a water tile to the left, it will draw a corner piece in if there's also one above it. And there's all these different rules, and that's what's so cool. So as you can see right here, I just paint it right on, and it puts in the right tiles. Another thing I worked on this week was the enemy AI. As you can tell, this is very basic, rudimentary. The enemy will follow you if you are within range. I'm reading this great book called AI for Game Developers. It's an O'Reilly book. I'll put a link in the description for anyone interested. Good deal for used books on Amazon. Something else that is new is the art asset for the gun that you're seeing here. So in a second here, we're going to cut to a video of me making that. As you saw, I added in this new asset for one of the guns in the game. This is the default gun. It's called the Infinity Blaster. Something that's really important now that we have some basic mechanics of the game designed is adding some art assets, and that's why I wanted to spend this week working on it, because I think it really gives the game more of a feel and some character to it. And I think it's going to help us decide how we want to continue development from here. You may have remembered showing off the bomb in last week's video, but there's been some major improvements this week. You can see the fence is actually new as well. It's a new tile that can be destroyed by the bomb. The bomb has a new asset created for it. This is just one of many iterations. Next week, I hope to create some animation for the actual explosion, but let's see what we get to. So I thought I would finish with just a little context about what the game really is about. Our main character, John, is on an adventure looking for his long-lost parents, and really more than anything, it's just a story about him trying to find his place in a seemingly meaningless world. So that's all I have for this week, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Please like and subscribe. I know that we're just getting started here, but I hope you stick around.